This was originally a half bathroom, has to be converted back to a half bathroom with the toilet being here. Smoke alarm has to be moved back to here. This was originally the kitchen, which was converted back to a bedroom. This has to be converted back to the kitchen. This is the pantry. Right now it is for the washer dryer, but has to be turned back into the pantry. The kitchen here has to be removed. Here's the living area. Balcony. Bedroom. Still have personal effects here, so we will not be doing a trash out. And the full bath. So we have the kitchen, the half bath, the pantry, and possibly the smoke alarm or smoke detector.